Welcome to BVG Automotive here. We're excited to present 2021 Peugeot E-2008 GT Premium Auto. Take a look at the bold and dynamic front design. The striking LED headlights with Peugeot's signature three-claw pattern, along with the diamond-cut grille, give this E-2008 a futuristic and aggressive stance. From the side, this compact electric SUV stands out with its 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, contrast black roof and mirror caps, and sleek roof rails for added versatility. The Peugeot E-2008 GT Premium makes charging effortless with its conveniently located charging port. The rear is equally impressive with full LED 3D Peugeot signature lights, a gloss black spoiler, and a modern aerodynamic design that makes a bold statement on the road. Registered in March 2021, this car has had 2 owners with a full service history and was recently serviced. It includes a free 12-month MOT and a complimentary 3-month warranty. Plus, it's HPI clear with no hidden history. Inside, the Peugeot E-2008. The door panel includes controls for windows, mirrors, and locking. The heated leather cloth seats provide comfort and support, while the compact steering wheel features built-in controls for media, navigation, and cruise control. The Peugeot 3D Cockpit features a futuristic digital speedometer, keeping essential driving info in clear view. The center console offers a sleek design with chrome toggle switches and a 10-inch touchscreen for Apple CarPlay. The rear seats offer premium leather cloth upholstery, ample legroom, and ISOFIX mounts for child seats. Passengers also get USB ports to stay connected on the go. Practicality meets style. The modular boot floor offers generous cargo space, making it perfect for all your journeys, whether it's a family trip or a weekend getaway. For more information, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call our sales team on 0161399 1629, quoting registration ML21FJC.